Hello friends, Shivansh this side, and today I'm going to show you solution of J Advanced 2020 question. And actually, I did this question in 30 seconds. So basically, my previous video is also on the same theme, J Advanced 2020 question in 30 seconds. So this was actually a easy question, just a small idea it requires. So basically, a student gets up a rank and makes 30-degree angle with horizontal. He or she starts as shown at the bottom of the ramp with speed itna and wants to turn over the semicircular path, and she reaches the maximum height from ground. Assume his energy loss is maximal and force required for this turn at highest point is provided by his weight only. So that means when he is accelerating in this direction, his weight is like there is no external force at this, like there is nothing external acceleration causing factor in this place. So that means acceleration over here over inclined plane below the incline is g sine theta, and which is g by 2 in this case, g sine theta. Okay, and it is equals to v square by r because the guy is turning as well. He is like a student. Okay, he's a student, he is even turning, so it is equals to v square by r. Okay, so from it I get a like the guy is turning over here, so acceleration of him over inclined plane would be equal to his acceleration while turning, because there is no like force required for this turn is provided by his weight only. And what is force of his weight? G sine theta in this direction. He is taking turn in this direction. Acceleration is in this direction. So v square by r is in this direction. So this is the simple equation, that is g by 2 is v square by r. Simply. Now what I'm thinking is that I apply, okay, first of all let me erase this conservation of energy on this inclined plane. Let me make it pretty thick. Okay. So I'm applying conservation of energy from here to here because I know h here. Okay, so here is velocity is 0, no, v naught, sorry. At bottom of ramp he starts at bottom of ramp with speed v naught. Okay, so that means v final square, sorry, v initial square. Well, no, okay, then it's okay. V initial square minus v final square is mgh. Okay, half mv square. So upon 2 half mv square, right? Half mv square. Okay, this is a v final. In this case, this is for v final. Velocity of him at this point, or at basically at this point, like, okay, v initial square by v final square, m would be, okay, actually I wasn't planned to directly cancel m g h. Now m and m get cancelled, 2 goes over here, so let me refine the expression. Hmm, it is 2gh, and I replace it is by, like, this is rg by 2, right? Rg by 2 is v final square. So okay, I do one more replacement. Okay, v initial is v naught. So this basically implies when I put this equation in this equation, v naught square minus 2gh is half gr, half gr. Okay, so this is it. Let's see what's the thing. First option satisfied. I guess it is in multi correct. Okay, and how I guess it, because maximum and 0. So basically that's my prediction. it may not be. Let's resolve the equations because I think, yeah, actually I attempted this question a month ago or so. So I think yes, it is multi-correct. Option A is correct. Now, centripetal force required at point X and Z is 0. Okay, centripetal force required at point X and Z is 0. Yes, no. How? Because at this point, the guy has some velocity, right? At this point, he has velocity, and is this velocity maximum? There it goes. He makes velocity, and he goes here. Velocity increase v square by r. He goes up v square by r. His acceleration over there. Mv square by r is basically centripetal force. So mv square by r. So basically, like at this point, mv square by r. So acceleration is not 0. No, it's mv square by r, and here velocity is not 0 because he is commanding a turn. Okay. So at this point velocity is maximum, so mv square by r is maximum. That means option D is correct. So in this way, actually, when I'm sorry for that, when I attempted it earlier, I missed out the thing. I missed out the fact that it's multi-cut, but still the main calculation was first one which I attempted in less than 30 seconds. I had full confidence. And according to official answer key, I don't remember. Okay, sorry. I would like you may check and comment down. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.